Ajikali matibra mota nishna ektin aro mota khanbra matikhan nishna ektin gri thakya pi duk dikdar face kugena jai thakya tuli Nepali women tourist ekjon mota nishna dressing lagagena Assam state visiting ahatu Jorhat district ti mob khan jama kugena molested gridisha aro Jorhat police khan hatsa opor detail investigation rakhigena jai thakya khobor dia ase largest democracy India desh pitorti rap gang rap hatsa hogina even tourist khanpi hesap na kugena threaten pai thaka hotai din report pailo ase aro hatsa oporti police khan ex logina update di thaka to allegation of molestation and police in action to tourist victim nijor bra through social media logina awas uthai dia karni case registered kudigena detail investigation rakhigena ja thaka report pailo ase victim laga complaint ti ta state visit kugena ja thaka tamti Mirani area bra kunpa accused khan taige thori loi jagena 7 jon 8 jon jama kugena mob khan laga ageti mati khan pi milaigena tourist maki laga t-shirt khan phangai disha aro itu hatsa hogena thaka tu mota nishna tai dressing lagagena ja thaka issue karni inika hatsa look pai jashe kogena tourist complaint uthai dia ase ajikali hawa aha season ulagena ja thaka homoiti Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority Khanbra General Fire Safety and Protection Tips Jonai Thaka Hotai Din Amikhan Sobra Janibule Thaka Tuli Overload Electrical System Avoid Kugina Flammable Materials Authority Kendall Khan Naturalabole Advice Gridia Asem Amikhan Hotai Careless Gri Thaka Secret Berry Cup City Thinbra Chapagina Carefully Dispose Gridigena unauthorized electricity connection aro hotai certified and authorized cooking gas cylinder chulagina jan aro property bachawole Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority khan General Fire Safety and Protection Tips hatsabra dur rakhibo karni jonai thaka viewers khan ki jankari dia ase development khobor pai thaka asapti Nagaland State bhitorte hotai din bike scooty gari milaigena harai thaka bike lifter ekjon Nagaland police khanbra thori loise kugina khobor pailu ase Nagaland State bhitorti chor laga kahani tu ada thoi jagina nijor laga nishna dun dukya hisab na kugina property alag alag saman harai ase itu karni Nagaland police khan tu parata khushish kugina control kurlu ase aro effort digena ja thaka homuiti Tumsang police aro Wokha police khan lead kugena bike lifter ekjon thorigena detail investigation rakhi thaka report dia ase khoborte 21st Chinki Filmi community fishing event ti Deputy Chief Minister Y Patan aro toivoto ayam division present kugena power of unity hesabti forefathers khan fishing practices kugena aha fresh reminded kridisha koya ase Sources de fishing toli lotha arosumi community khanbra mark kugena brotherhood symbolic ekta ase aro rich cultural heritage celebrate kugena ja thaka Y Patan statement kridisha COVID-19 bemar ulai jagena whole country economic aro alag alag rasta te development khan sob down hoigina safety measures rakhi aha European Food Safety Authority khan warning di thaka tu COVID-19 brapi 100 times सबसे बिया worse bird flu pandemic ahi jabole highly chances thakya khobor kuri dia ase European Food Safety Authority khan laga statement ti bird flu virus pra judi ekjon ki transmitted krugena jashe koile khatarnak pandemic ahi jabole Dr. Suraj Kachibuti John Felton Canada based pharmaceutical company Bionagras founder কৈ দিয়া আছে কিলি বাৰ্ড ফ্লু বেমাৰটো উলি 100 টাইমছ কোভিড-19 ৰাপি বিয়া হ'বলৈ থাকে আনমিতিয়ে জনাই দিয়া আছে